everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah You Can Cook, and today I'm excited because Sizzlefish has sent me another box. I'm very excited, don't know what's in it. Sizzlefish is a great place to go to get all your seafood needs. They're located in Ayden, North Carolina, and they ship all over the country, and we're going to see that packaging here in just a minute. It's my second box from them in the last 6 months. Thank you once again, Sizzlefish, for your support. Let's get right in here and see what we've got today. All right. So I didn't cut as well as I thought. Excited to get this here in the Heck Yeah You Can Cook kitchen. All right. We have got, shrimp. Wow, look at this. Got packages of shrimp. Very exciting. We make a lot of great dishes with this. And what I like is these are already portioned out, so you can get enough for whoever you've got. Got 2 people? Hey, 2 packages. You got 3 people? 3 packages. Wow, look at all this shrimp here. And through the dry ice, we have got, oh wow, skin on sockeye salmon. How exciting is this? Love some sockeye salmon. Great stuff here. Already portioned out, just have to defrost it. Very excited about the sockeye salmon. Great source of healthy fats. Wonderful thing to eat for your family. And I've got some great recipes that I'm going to prepare for you. And you guys can follow along right there on Sizzlefish. So we got salmon. Wonderful, beautiful pieces of the salmon. Great and exciting to have. All right, well, thank you everybody from Sizzlefish. Please go to sizzlefish.com and order yours today. They come in these great prepackaged prepackaged, not samples. They come in these great prepackaged, already ready to go servings. So you can just pull out of the freezer what you need, put it out there. So we've got the sockeye salmon and we've got the shrimp. If you're looking for these recipes soon on Heck Yeah You Can Cook, everyone have a great day.